Your confidence is your best jewel. Let us shatter the inhibitions of your child, not his or her confidence. Let me share with you an interesting story of a very intelligent child in my class. She's so intelligent and insightful, but she does not want to turn on her camera. Why is that so? Because she's extremely shy. Now, how to talk to her and how to become friends with her? I just adopted one thing. So I entered the class and I said to them, let's laugh together. I unmuted everybody and they all started laughing. This gave her a confidence, a boost of energy. She got so confident that she started talking to me. But till then, she did not turn on her camera. I was again very scared of how to talk to her because I wanted to become friends with her, right? Then, a very interesting thing happened. I went to the class and started modulating my voice. Good morning. How are you? Whenever she heard me, she felt like I was a cartoon character that entered the class. And she also started responding to me in the same way. Slowly and steadily, I started noticing that I could see her forehead, then her eyes, and also I started looking at her nose. Till now, I've reached the point where I could see her nose. But definitely in 1 or 2 more classes, she's definitely going to show me her entire face and will be more confident. That's the basic aim of Cyboard. At Cyboard, we do not only aim at literating your child, but we aim at overall development of your child. And especially when I talk about English language, we do not deal with the rote memorization. We deal with active participation of the child by interacting with them, by making them friendly with us. Isn't it the only way that the child feels more confident? And that's the only aim of English, to make your child confident and self-competent. My name is Vrinda and I am the Master Teacher English at Cyboard School, and I would love to teach your child too.